So in today's video, I'm going to show you a few actionable things that you can do to either attain your first pull-up or increase the amount that you currently are able to do. So the first thing that you need to be able to do is, in order for you to pull yourself up, you need to be able to hold yourself onto the bar. That right there is considered a dead hang. So in order to, like I said, pull yourself up, you have to have the strength, primarily in your forearms, to at least maintain that position to hold on to the bar before you can even generate any sort of like power or exert any sort of energy to initiate the lift, or the pull, I should say. The second thing that you can do is, when you're in that position, you can do what is called scapular retraction. So it'll look like this. So that little bit of movement right there, it's sort of like a reverse shrug. So when you're dead hanging and your arms are like this, your shoulders are by your ears. So really you're just trying to force your shoulders down and retract your shoulder back. Oh, I got a phone call. So you're trying to retract your shoulder blades back. That's going to that's going to ensure that you're pulling from a stable position to even initiate the pull. A lot of people tend to overlook that small detail. So do your scapular retractions, even if it does feel a little funny at first. I'll do another one. So hang. It's a very good movement. It doesn't require a lot of motion, but it will pay dividends over the course of time. Now, another thing you can do is get up to the very top and lower yourself down under control for time. It'll be like this. That is a negative. Basically, anytime you are elongating the muscle, that is, you're causing an eccentric contraction. That's when the muscle is working its hardest, and you're able to do things that you probably are not able to do concentrically. What I mean is, if you find it difficult to pull yourself up, more often than not, you will have the power and strength to lower yourself down under control. So give negatives a shot, especially if you're not able to do your first pull-up. If you're able to hold on to a bar for maybe 20 to 30 seconds, then try to shift to doing negatives. Hop up to the bar however way you can, lower yourself under control, and that will build the muscle necessary for you to eventually be able to pull yourself up. Now the last thing that I would say is, once you're able to do all of that, to generate more muscular endurance and strength, you can do static holds, which will look like this. So at this point, you're just holding. Hold different positions. Here. So when you're able to do all of that, your pull-up game over the course of time will increase. Now, there is also something else you could do. You could do inverted rows. That's also a very good technique. So definitely try to combine all those things. Start with working on your grip strength, hold for time, Then hop up to the bar, get in that top position, lower yourself down under control. Do that for a few days, a few weeks, and then test. Test your strength grip-wise, and it's lowering yourself down eccentrically, and eventually you'll get your first pull-up. If this video found you well, definitely hit that subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and hopefully you found value in this video. All right, peace.